Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add your resume, your Canva resume to your Wix website, then this video is for you. So you have to do is simply follow the steps. There's a couple of steps that you can follow to add your resume on your Wix website. So through Canva, I have just created a CV here. Now you can do is simply click on share button at the top right corner. Now when you have clicked on the share button, you can find the download option from here. So it is actually loading here. So before I download them, I want to add some clickable links from here. Like I want to add the mail from here, like link here. So I'm going to add a link, or here is some sites where you can embed some link here. So I'm going to add some link of my website. For example, this one here, or if we just simply click on publish. Now I'm going to publish this here. Yes, done. And I'm going to visit the site, the view site here, and here it is. Now I'm going to do is copy this code here, this link here. I'm going to paste it here, this URL. Now simply done. And it is now clickable. Anyone can click on it and they can go to my website here. Also the phone number and more of things you can add here. You can edit each and every part of your CV from here. Also the contact me button, that can you embed your contact me section with your contact section of your website here. For example, this one, now you can embed this. As for example, I'm going to copy this link here and I'm going to paste it here, like three dot button here, and from here you can find a link and I'm going to paste it here. Done. And anyone can also contact me if they want, so they can just redirect to the contact page. Now if you want to add this, you have to go to the Wix website and go to the editor, or you have to go to your website editor. Now when you are on editor session, you can back to editor. I'm going to get back to editor. Now here it is. Now for example, I want to add my CV on work with me section here. So I'm going to get into my page, like work with me here. Let me show you from like this here. So work with me, here it is. Now we can just add some here. This section is blank here, where we will enter our CV. So for that, we have to do is simply click on share button here, and you can find download button. So you can download this image, you can add it PDF standard, or you can find this JPG here. So I'm going to get the JPG right now because I'm going to add the direct image on my website here. So simply click on download and you can see it will start downloading, and you can find this download here. Yeah, you can see it has just downloaded. Now you have to do is go to your editor section where you can find your image here, some image. So I'm going to do is simply delete this image from here, change background, and from here we are going to add image here. So when we add this image, here is the site files, or you can upload a media. Simply click on it and you can drag and drop this downloaded image. Now I'm going to drag and drop it. Now here you can see it is uploading, so you have to wait until it's uploaded. Now you can see it has just uploaded. Now simply click on this CV here and it will show you the preview, and simply click on change background. Now you have to wait till it changes the background here. So the image is actually loading here. So, or you can add some custom here, custom design, that is actually here, like some stock images like this. Now we can add some photo by this, click on this add elements option here. Now from here you can find the images. Now you can find upload and import here. The upload image, now you have to drag and drop again the image here, or you can find it already uploaded here. So you have to wait until it's load the preview. So here you can see it has just uploaded. Now simply click on it and add to page, where you can see it has just added, but it's not loaded yet actually. So you have to wait until it loads. Here you can see it has just loaded. Now we can actually drag and place it on that section here, and you can see it is actually cropping. So we are going to expand that here, for example this, or we can crop that actually from here. Now we can just edit this image. So we are going to edit our image here, or you can use the crop feature here. So I'm going to crop it just like at this exact position here. Now it's pretty cool. So that's how you can just adjust the size from here, also adjust the size of this column here or this column here, and you can see it has just showing all of this from here now. But on this image, people won't able to click on this link. But if you want to want people to click on this link on your CV that you have added, then you have to do is simply delete them from here, like backspace and delete them, and you can do is go back to your CV here, and you can do is you can simply click on share and you can embed the link. You can simply click on public view link and it will look like this, where you can simply click on create public view link here and you can find the link where you can go to your website and you can simply add some link from here, or you can simply find some boxes that you can add and where you can add the link if you want some. And also you can do is simply go to here and go back and simply click on see wall or the three dot button here, and you can find the embedded option where you can simply click on embed button here and you can find the HTML embed code. You have to simply click on copy button here and you have to go to your editor section and simply click on this add elements again and simply search for HTML. Sorry for that, HTML. So when you search for it, you can find embeds here. Then you can find the embed HTML. Then you have to simply click on it and you have to place that box exact right here and you have to paste here. You can find the you can add your code here in this box. You have to paste your code and simply click on update. Then you can add some alt text if you want. And here you can see it is showing our CV here. So you can change the size of it here, just like this, and I'm going to increase the size from here, place it in this section, and just like this. Here you can see we have just embedded the code, and if we go to the preview, then you can see we will be able to click on this link that are clickable. Here you can see if I click on it, then it will just lead us to to the external site. When you click on it, it will show you as the size here. And if when you click on contact me section and simply click on continue to external site, and it will show you the contact size, this contact pages. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.